asset. Now repeat after me. Asset. Asset. An asset is something valuable that a person, company, or organization owns. Assets can be financial, like cash and investments, or physical, like property, equipment, or even skills. In a sentence, her ability to communicate effectively is a valuable asset to the team. Here, asset refers to a personal skill that brings value to the group. Let's try another example. The company's biggest asset is its brand reputation, which attracts loyal customers. Now it's your turn. If you understand the word, comment below with your own sentence using asset. Synonyms. Some related terms for asset are resource, something that can be used to benefit or accomplish something. Advantage, a favorable quality that can be helpful. Antonyms. The opposite of asset would be liability, something that represents a disadvantage or a debt. Debt, money owed as opposed to money or value owned. Part of speech. Asset is a noun referring to something valuable or beneficial. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to English Dictionary Infinity. Don't forget to hit the notification bell for more words and pronunciation tips. See you next time.